Starting the prayer. To be led by Father Rano. Ang galingan Father. Sa lahat ka naman.
I'm really happy that everyone is preparing for the homecoming. I really hope that it can be one of the, although all, if we look into history, we see that all this will add up. It's just include me, before Karen, parang meeting sila support ko. Kasi sabi ko, please include me. I know you are the, hindi naman ako, if you have plans, kakaganda ng school, hindi naman kakakuha si alam. Of course, I will approve that. Only that, sabi ko, please include me. Because if I'm not included, pag may pumunta, ay, I don't know about that. Sabi ko, nakakauya. Ayun, maging officers sila naging officers, sila dito, lahat ng meetings, kasali ako. Even if on, sabi ko, I know I'm not here on Saturdays, Sundays, kasi kagana-gana. So sabi ko, if there is a meeting, I come. Tapos ko na pa. Sabi ko, ay, talagang, get the, ang pag-safety, ay, hindi ko kasi back to hospital ko. Halos every month, nagano pa rin sila. Minsan Sunday, hindi ko tayo. Hindi ka rin sabi ko. Sabi ko, ay hindi ko. Otherwise, ay hindi ko sila. Ang wali na nila is yung March 2014 daw. Wala nila 2014 to 2026.
I understand.
I know that all.
It's just how you feel.
Tulungan sila sa kawal ko.
Let bygones be bygones. And always remember, I love you. I love you.
Ako po ngayon ang principal. Kasi ako ang qualified. He stands as president of the organization. Kasi syempre, resistant tayo sa SEC. So, meron mo yung past of the president. So, as the eldest, he is the president. Kaya ako minsan, pinaka-qualified. Siyempre, nilalagay taga-mayon, taga-mayon,
Your love for me might not feel it's over now, but it was when I understand. I understand. If you ever change your mind, come back to me. And you
Hindi ka ito pinusa lang namin si Jay mamanunod. Pasensya ka na. Si Jay nga presidente Guanzo, si Jay Grande. Okay lang, pamurumok naman na lang. Kung na, magkatwa kita, we will elect among ourselves. Unang tanong sa president, si second. Ay, tumutulog ka rin ka. Basta kung may premium, di ka man magkitabo sa magsasali. Ito mo tabi i-claim sa premium mo. Chikas ka. Ngayon ka na nga style. Puro magkita kurun sinuan man sana. Pero ay gusto ko experience ko sa grupo.
Oo.
Very active.
Yes, very active. Almost every year, every reunion.
Ina-admire ko nga siya.
Oh.
Yes.
Si Maria Luisa, lamig mo, nakaka-video.
Sabi ka, active mo.
Kami lalaki natin presidente yan.
Kita lang nagtiwala sa lahat.
Yung problema na para kay Sirinyawan.
Kaya words,
So, Miss Pressing
President.
31.
Yes.
After 2 years,
Kabata.
see, I understand the profession. Okay. Okay na. So, program of activities na nakita. So, sa parade, dapat, mamok na kita ito, di magparoon na pila. May,
I understand just how you feel. Your love for me might not be real. It's over now, but it was when I understand.